Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you how to create cute Halloween stickers in Canva. So let's start with it. So I'll be choosing YouTube thumbnail as my canvas. So before starting I request all of you to please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss another update from DS Adventures India. So let's start with it. So in the elements section I have curated some elements which is available easily in Canva and you can use it for your own designs. So this is, as you can see, it is Halloween party hanging lettering. This is Halloween pumpkin illustration. This is cute Halloween pumpkin. This is Halloween ghost, and this one is cute Halloween ghost. So these are the 5 elements which I will be using. So let's start with it. So first I will bring this one, make it smaller. Next this one. Next I will add the Halloween party lettering. Next I will add this cute Halloween pumpkin illustration. Okay, and the last one I will add this one. This is the Halloween pumpkin, and make sure when you are adjusting the images, make sure there is some gap so that you can easily cut out the images when you want to download it. And I will also share with you which will be the best version to download for sticker purposes. Okay, so let's make the sticker first. So for this I will go to share and click on download. Make sure it is in PNG format, and please click on transparent background and click on download. So as you can see, the downloading is done. Now I will add page and add this design to a new page. I will just upload the design. Okay, so let me show you that all the elements are in transparent version. So to show it I will use a gradient. Let's use this one. Okay, so make it to the size same as the canvas. Okay, so this one is done. Now after that I will go to edit. So after clicking on edit, I will go to effects, here shadows, and make sure you click the outline shadow here. And after that just scroll down and make sure it is the size is 15 to 18, not more than that. The color to be white and intensity to be 100. Just click outside the canvas, and as you can see a cute outline is here. And after that I will just suggest you to do another thing which will make it look more promising, and for that duplicating it and going to edit, changing the shadows color from white to black, and after that I will go to duotone, go to custom here, select both the colors to black, and after that I will go to blur, select whole image and make sure the intensity is in 45, and just exit from this blur option, and after that just decrease the transparency to 35. So 38 looks good to me. And after that, just go to layers and click on send backward. Okay, and just after that, just adjust it so that it looks more promising and more vibrant here. So the images are ready, and you can just see that the image looks a bit popped out because of the shadow effect here. And I hope you really like this image. And we will meet in a new tutorial in the next video, but let me show you first that how you need to download this design. You go to share and make sure the color is this one, the background color doesn't matter here. Go to download and make sure it is in PDF print, and just go here in the color profile, make sure it is CMYK. As you can see, it is recommended here for base for professional printing. So you can use this one to print the designs. Okay, so hope you like this tutorial, and I will meet in the next tutorial with a new design and a new effect. Thank you.